Good day, everyone. Welcome back to an accounting class, masterclass. We are focusing on grade 12 syllabus, and today we are doing a question taken from the accounting November 2019 paper. The accounting November 2019 paper was only one paper. During that period, accounting had only one paper. The two papers started in 2020. So in 2019, it was only one paper, which was out of 300, and the time was 3 hours. But today we are only focusing in this question, which is question 1. And question 1 is based on manufacturing. Manufacturing is now set in paper 2. So question 1 is based on manufacturing. Right. Sihle Sangweni, let's read the question. It's 40 marks and it's 20 minutes. Sihle Sangweni owns 2 separate factories that manufacture products according to the orders received. So they work according to the orders received. There is no work in progress. The year end is 28 February. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false. Write only true or false next to the question numbers 1.1.1 to 1.1.3. 1.1. It's 1.1.1 to 1.1.3. Right. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false. 1.1, wages of factory cleaners. Wages of factory cleaners is a direct labor cost. So wages of factory cleaners, remember when we are talking about the direct labor cost, we are referring to the amount of money that is paid to the workers who are actually doing the production, who are involved in the production process. So when we look at the factory cleaners are not directly involved in the production of goods, and therefore they are not regarded as direct labor. They are regarded as indirect labor. So this statement which says wages of factory cleaners is a direct labor cost, this statement is false. Wages of factory cleaners is an indirect labor cost. They are not directly involved in the production of goods and services. So delivery cost, that's 1.1.2. Delivery cost of finished goods to retailers are a selling and distribution cost. Delivery cost of finished goods. We are delivering finished goods. It means these goods have been sold and they are now delivered to customers. So this is regarded as selling and distribution cost. So this statement is true. We are now selling and distributing the product. So it's selling and distribution cost. Remember, in a manufacturing industry, we have 3 departments. We have the administration department, we have the factory department, and the selling and distribution department. So 1.1.2, when we are now delivering the finished goods, it is the responsibility of the selling and distribution department, and therefore this cost is regarded as a selling and distribution cost. 1.1.3, depreciation on office equipment is an administration cost. Depreciation on office equipment is an administration cost. Yes, it's an office equipment. So it is in the admin, so therefore this statement is true. Depreciation on office equipment is an administration cost.